국제공항에 도착했습니다. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Jeju International Airport.
Hi everyone, my name is Mike and I'm from Canada. The weather in Jeju is great. Jeju Island features a lot of eco-friendly transportation, like electric cars. And so I'll be getting around in an electric car during my time here. Oh wow, they're running autonomous vehicles here? That's pretty cutting edge. It's a really great chance to enjoy the scenery. It is truly beautiful here. So this is what they mean when they say sustainable Jeju. I've heard that the APEC conference venue, the ICC Jeju, is a really impressive site. The ICC Jeju is a conference venue with both outstanding modern features and a long history. Thank you for the warm welcome. Jeju is like a 360-degree movie. I made the right decision coming to this conference. I'll never forget my time here. This is Jeju.